you got me like, girl, what you want from me?
What you want from me?
And try to buy your pretty heart.
Sure, your toes now $47. Don't forget. Maybe my conscience will be clear. Hello and welcome to my groom. Yeah, we got this wig from Lavyhair and it's a 9x6 HD lace glueless straight wig. People, why them send me this dark wig cap? Hairline came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Love that for me. I was really impressed with the lace. I was just overall impressed with the hair itself. It's 180% density. Kind of thin and all, but yeah. Big up Lavyhair for the wig. All the information you need will be in the description box below if you'd like to purchase it. And make sure you use up the coupon code and so down there. Yeah. So we're gonna attempt to just work with this dark wig cap. I've never tried that before, so. Girl, what lace? What lace? Guys, I might not have to glue this down for real. Let's see what the wig cap looks like underneath it. It actually doesn't look bad. It actually doesn't look bad. I actually like it. It looks like my natural scalp. Wait a minute. Oh, they might have been onto something when they gave me that dark colored wig cap. Guys, you see all that parting space? It goes all the way back. Actually, I have some baby hairs here too, a deep side part, because the parting literally stops here. Pluck it! It's 180 density. It's a little bit thin. It's a little bit thin. But let's just pretend this is my hair. You know, let's pretend that this is the hair that's growing out of my scalp. It's not gonna be that sticky on them. Right.
Just let it play, Lito. Just fucking on my phone and it said it needs space. So I hop on a 4-5 and I'm speed racing. I just wish the only OGs, it alleviate all your friends, fans, with names, they abbreviate. And I don't like that. You know I like thoughts. I'm about to pull up on the field with some white cross, baby. Expensive taste. These girls got expensive taste. Tryna hold my weight, but I don't really got the patience. She wanna be a star. Well, girl, I'm not just patient. I'm still waiting on payments, but I know they on the way. 40,000 up and down, made the trampoline break, and that ain't no makeup. She got a Maybelline face. I'm a champion, babe. I don't even need a break. Got the frog in her throat, she sound like I need a babe. You know I like that, like when you talk back. Got me spending all my money now, down bad, baby. Expensive taste. These girls got expensive taste. Tryna hold my weight, but I don't really got the patience. She wanna be a star. Well, girl, I'm not just patient. I'm still waiting on payments, but I know they on the way. Girl, I got a new man, but she'll be back around. Just bought a new, I know what that's about. Friends for being friends, let's take another route. Skin Floridian, I know she from the south. Last night had it fast, I know you better know. Fiend and then hit the deep and then let's go. Teasing don't get too seasick, I'll try to go. Blast like the Western pistol that's in my coat. Now I'm in a black Rory, cause I like the speed race. Shorty blowing up my phone, she said she got a me trace. She a capper, I just saw little shorty leave Jason. My bro text me and Jordan Planet Eastgate. Keep it on, charge, I'm in here with the same dogs. In these cross, I had to make the play call. Ain't wanna play shorty. Yeah, you always got expensive taste.
Alright guys, so I didn't tell you where I was gonna go, but I'm going to the Redbull Culture Clash. T. Plucked. We're backstage.
On Instagram, use @Redbull. Súnica me can't.
You know the vibes, bathroom break. We don't know who's even winning right now.
I'm not gonna win. Exactly that.
And if he doesn't, y'all are haters.
I will burn this
It's
shit
giving
up
bad
right now.
mind. Morning, guys. So it's the next day. Is it the next day? Honestly, I don't know which day. Today's Monday. I called Shanita earlier to ask her if she could just do my nails. Yes, I know that the lady is fully pregnant, but none of my other nail techs that I would go to if it was not her are not open today. And I don't want to put on any nail. I just need to get these polished. Like, I want my real nails to be polished. And a friend of mine has my UV lamp, so I don't have a UV lamp right now because I could do it myself because I have gel polish, but I ain't got nothing to dry it with. Yeah, I just asked her to do it for me. She said she would, so that's why I'm gonna go on the road. I also have one package to drop off. It's 2 dossier, so I have to go to Knutsford. Normally I do it via bearer, but them say time come, and I know my bearer is gonna tell me you need to rainfall, so I'm gonna do it myself. I decided that I just want to put on my shirt, you know. If you don't know, I have a business called the Seashell Abode where you get home appliances, home decor, and it's really a variety store and home decor store in one. So yeah, not too much on me. And make sure you go follow the page, as I say. New stock coming soon. Stay tuned. Clack it. Yeah, I just felt like I wanted to put on my shirt today. And you guys must be wondering, okay, what's that on the other side? This is Edit by Shell. This is the content creator me. This is the video editor me. If you guys need any videos edited, whether it be TikToks, Reels, YouTube videos, want a content creator, you want me to come in store and create the content for you and manage your social media, me that. Trying to get this hair down. I really love this wig. I really love this wig, like, what lace? What lace? You feel me? It kind of fits a little bit weird on my head, so I don't know if I will be keeping it. I'll wear it for the rest of the week and see if I want to keep it, and if not, I'll just sell it. And y'all know I don't sell my wigs at unreasonable prices because it's literally a worn wig. I ain't gonna sell y'all a worn wig for 30 grand. I'm going to try to find some pants to wear. Really and truly, will probably just drag on a shorts. I'm even gonna lie to you. Let's look professional up here. Don't worry about what's going on down below. I hear the rain coming. I don't even know if this is a good idea, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna risk it anyways because this person ordered from last week and it has always been an issue with the rain. So I'm gonna try to do it myself today. And I'm happy that she's very understanding, you know, the weather. So yeah, let's go. All right, so this is what I'm wearing. I know the shorts are short, but I don't care. This is what happens when you own your own business, you run your own business, you can do whatever the hell you want to do. If I feel like putting on my work shirt and a body rider, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm just running like one errand, focused up here, so. And it's a good thing my bottom not really big, so there's nothing to focus on down here anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these in until I get in the car. I just want it to lay as flat as possible. I'm really loving this hair. Not gonna yet. As I said, I wish it was just a little bit thicker, just a little bit, but I really like it. Like the lace. Look at that lace. Man, that eats so bad. I could have done a better job with gluing it down because it's supposed to be worn glueless, but it's either too big for my head or too small for my head. I'm not really sure yet, but it's not fitting properly. I'm on the young man for reach, so I can't leave. Big up KFC every single time for giving me this umbrella because I don't know what I would do without it right now. I just wish, you know, the big KFC never did on it, but no shame in my game. No shame in my game. Okay? I have a promo to do. Honestly, I don't know if I will be able to do that one today. I also want to go look at a stove this week. I don't know where I'm gonna get the stove from. I was initially looking on Quartz, but the one that I wanted, it sold out because it was literally one left and it was perfect. It was perfect. That's what procrastination and priorities cause, because you know I had some other things doing that was just more important than getting that stove, to be honest. So yeah, now I have to look again. Honestly, I have no idea where else to even look for a stove. Like, what people buy a stove? I don't know. Where's my phone? Oh. No, this is not my phone. Where's my phone? Where is my phone? Guys, tell me why I locked up my phone in the car. And it's raining. So you know what this means? I'm just going to sit in the car and wait. So in the meantime, I'm just going to put it in the bag. So I got these colors because obviously it matches with the logo. And I have my sticker, which I need to upgrade because tell me why after I printed the stickers was when I realized, Shelby, you never put the Instagram handle or the phone number on the stickers. Like, that was the whole point. How did you forget that? But I also made business cards that I never got around to printing it. It was supposed to be both of them. It was supposed to be the sticker and the business cards in here, and they were in the form of credit cards. I had privated that video because I didn't want to just leave that one video and didn't continue that entrepreneur series. So I think I might start it back, or maybe I'll just start including them in some vlogs. I don't know. Remember that $15,000 ticket that I did get? I don't pay it yet. I make sure to keep the receipt, the ticket right here so I don't forget, and I also put a reminder on my phone. And you probably must be saying, Shelby, why not just pay it now? No, I have other more important things to do with my money. This is supposed to be paid no later than the 19th of November, so I have time. I have time. It's only the, what is it, like the 4th of November right now? I need to charge my phone. My phone is dying. Why am I love stray? Why am I love stray from the topic so much? Like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna put the two dossier in there, and this is the amber saffron and the gourmand white flowers. Well, you guys really love the amber saffron more because it's the baccarat rouge. I don't know, it's just not my favorite scent. I don't mind it, but yeah, just not my favorite. I prefer the gourmand white flowers a lot more. Oh, I can't even lock it yet because Not Spread have a thing where them ask you what's inside, and then sometimes they even open it themselves and look. So it doesn't make any sense I fold this. So I'm just, as in, it doesn't make any sense I seal it. So I'm just going to fold it, make them do whatever they want to do. So I'm just going to put the sticker on. I normally have some starfish and some seashells that I normally drop in the bags, but they're finished and I have not restocked them yet. That is it. That is her. We'll put her on one side. I really hope there's not too much traffic down there. Actually, let me call Jodine and ask her if she's at work. Be like the line long, you know. BRB. So I just made it to Knutsford. Honestly, I don't even know how long that took. Not very long. Why is it raining? But I'm not gonna bring the umbrella in there. I'm just, honestly, I might just fling on my hat. No, I don't wanna. It's gonna fuck my hairstyle. I just had to run in. I need to, I can't remember the girl's name. I can't remember her full name. I don't think I'm gonna bring you guys in there. I'm nervous, I'm shy. Ah! Oh, it's not even full. Praise Jesus. Guys, tell me why I was there for about over half hour. Call it an hour. I actually don't remember the time I got here, but it was a good little wait. There was only one cashier doing send-offs. Make it make sense. Until them realized that it'll get bad and there's not really anybody who's picking up, so they had to open up the other side. So we could send off packages. Until the line get long, you know, I'm happy I got there when I did, because that line is extremely long now, and if I came at this time I saw that line, I'd turn back. And my friend them say a long time them not see me and but it's like, you have my number, call me, right? Anyways, give me a second, I'll tell you guys what the plan is. Shanita is somewhat ready for me. I guess by the time I get to her house she'll be ready to do my nails for me, but she's putting Eden to sleep. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get some food. There's this new place in the plaza where La Susan is. A new salad place called Chopped. Saw Gia posted on TikTok, and even though her review of it was not the greatest and not the most convincing, but she did mention or outline a couple of hiccups with them. Hopefully I can go and get something in a good enough time frame, because waiting for 1.5 hours for some salad is crazy. Hopefully I have a better experience, because today I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. I feel for something nice, and I feel like it's something nice. I don't know, I'm treating myself. I don't have it, but me I treat myself. I could, God forbid, but I have to live every day like my last. Let me say that instead of what I was actually going to say. I must live every day like it is my last. So if today is my last day, I'm gonna have a good meal. I'm good on good. I am in a little bit of traffic. I am currently on Lady Musgrave Road, about to pass where Tea Tree is, or was. So, yeah. We're at the place now, and it's right here beside Tutti Frutti. All I know, better be good. In here is filled with people.
Okay, so you can take the process is you actually take a paper, you put your name and you sign whatever it is that you like, and then you hand it to someone there, and then they make the order, and then you pay up here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The form, so
The forms right there.
okay. Interesting. Oh, so I can either take a signature bowl or create my own bowl. I'll just try a signature bowl. I'm fine with that. So the Baja bowl has rice, cilantro, lime, cream, black beans, corn, sweet peppers, tomato, avocado, salsa, but no meat. So I feel like I want to add a meat. I feel like I gotta add chicken. Ooh, or do I want salt and pepper beef fillet? Maybe in bougie, you know? I'm actually gonna try that. The salt and pepper beef fillet. I hope I like it. Where's my tripod when I need it? Bro, I literally moved. Alright, so I got my food. I just want to taste it. And I had to move from the parking where I was because, long story short, one truck did it. And it's like he was rushing me to move, even though there were two other parking spots there. And because my windows aren't tinted, as y'all know, you know, everybody can just look in and see me. And I'm like, you know what? It's a sign for me to just move. Anyways, this is what my bowl looks like. It looks good. It looks good. Was it worth the price? I don't think it's worth the price. Let's see how much this was. $3,047. Like, I know I said I fell for something nice, but one Chipotle bowl for $3,000? Y'all ain't seeing me again. That's for sure. Alright, I could really see. Let me eat them. Taste these beef bites. That's actually really good. That's actually really good. Didn't have any sweet peppers because they said it was finished, so I got carrot as a substitute. Sorry for talking my mouth full. So all I'm seeing so far, I see rice, sweet corn, tomato, salsa, diced pineapples, black beans, avocado, salsa, the beef bites, and the rice. So that's all I see. It's a pretty decent sized bowl, if we're gonna be very honest. It tastes good, so no complaints there. And you can choose if you want jasmine rice or a rice grain blend. So that's like brown rice and quinoa. So sorry for talking my mouth full. The parked facing in so nobody could see me. I don't want nobody to pressure me to move because parking is limited right now. Too good. Anyways, for the sake of not being selfish, I will move. So I'm going to head down to Shanita now. And the wait time was not long. If I was in there for 10 minutes, I'm in there for long. Like, in here is kind of getting a little bit chaotic. So I'm just going to go down there. I'm listening to the same 3 songs every day. Oh God, something else, girl. Something else. See y'all. Good morning. You can see my nails are not done. Shanita and Ty had one job. Bring the lamp. The drill, the polishes, the buffer, everything. Except the lamp. All the cord for the lamp, everything except the actual lamp. And by that time, you know, the rain start fall and all of that. So yeah, these were not done, but it's okay. It's okay. It's a sign that I should just leave it alone for now. Storm going outside. Well, I mean, outside is just pretty dark. It's a blow every now and then. The rain start and stop, start and stop, start and stop. That's what's going on with that. I'm actually editing, and I was just watching some other people's vlogs and watching some of my old vlogs, and I'm just here reflecting and saying, oh, how far may I come from, you know? A month ago, I didn't have a bed base. 2 months before that, I didn't even have a mattress. Couple months before that, I wasn't even in a new space. I wasn't even in a new apartment. I was in such a dark time in my life. Sometimes you live in answered prayers without even realizing it. Last night when I was leaving Shanida, I was praying out loud and I was just thanking God for everything. But you know, first of all, I did leave late, so I kind of did a prayer to God, saying keep me safe on the road and nothing to do me and nothing to do the car because we're in a fall and the road wet and all them something. So that's really how that prayer started, and then I just started having gratitude, and I don't know, something just prompted me to just talk out loud. Me and God alone in the car, just a drive, and we just chatting it up. I just started thinking about the act of forgiveness today. So for the past couple of days, you know, me and some of my friends, we've been talking about forgiveness. I don't forgive. I don't forgive anybody for anything. I always keep it up in my heart. I harbor it. Sometimes I just push it to the back of my brain and not really focus on it, but it's never really gone. It's not a forgive and forget situation for me. It's not a forgive and let go situation for me. It's a don't ever forgive, but keep it in the back of your mind so you're not focusing on it right now, you know? And I think that's why I'm very easily triggered when it comes on to certain things. And I don't think I have learned how to differentiate forgiveness and hurt. So I think there's a way you can forgive, but sometimes when you think about it, you know, you still feel some type of way, but you're not going to let it consume you. Unfortunately, a lot of things do consume me. I feel like sometimes if a certain situation happened and you talk about it and you're like, I can't believe them do this, I'm not gonna forgive them for nothing, da, 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 then you might look stupid for forgiving them. Ego is a big part of it, why you also don't want to forgive. Not because you might look bad to other people, like not because other people might say, then she did swear session I do this and look on her, da, 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 like a big eater. Sometimes it's not even that, but sometimes it's like you give people chance after chance after chance, and then you know you think you're standing on business by not forgiving, and then you do, so you kind of feel like you're allowing them to continue playing in your face. I don't know if I'm making sense, but that's what it feels like to me. So I guess that's why sometimes I don't forgive, because you played in my face one too many times, and why should I absolve you of your guilty conscience and all of what you did? Like, leave the forgiveness to God. That's how I was thinking. After talking to some of my friends, you know, and it's sad to say not one of them were on my side. Well, not really side, but all of them gave me the advice that I need to let go of things and I need to just forgive. Not for other people, but for myself, so a weight can be lifted off of my shoulders. Deep down, you know, I feel like that's the right thing to do and just let go and let God. But I just feel so hurt about so many situations that I have not found it in me to let go yet. I haven't found it in me to let go yet. I want to, I really want to, and I really hope that when God gives me the strength to forgive, just like how He forgives us over and over and over again, that maybe my conscience will be clear, my spirit will feel lighter, maybe I'll just be happier overall. Because as much as sometimes good things will happen to me, I can't bask in the moment too long because there's something good happen, something bad happen. Maybe forgiveness is what I need to be giving right now, you know? I don't know, maybe that is what I need to reach another step of happiness in my life, because I feel like that I hold me back. I sit and think about it and I'm like, something is not right. It's like something is still heavy on my heart. I need to let it go. I don't know how I'm gonna let it go. I'm just going to have to pray about it and hopefully God just helps me with that. I don't want to walk around bitter. I don't want to walk around upset. Obviously certain things I've I've forgotten. As I said, sometimes I just leave things in the past, but every now and then I get triggered, and I get triggered very easily. I do not like getting triggered because it's like I'm feeling all those emotions all over again. I say to myself, how did people could do this to me? How could this happen to me? I just don't feel like I should, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, make a prayer about it still. God need to have another little chat like that, like we did last night, because even just talking aloud in the car, I felt so much better just saying what I had to say, and we chatted up, and I got here safely, and we got my bed safe and sound. If my hair don't really look too right, it's just like, mind your business. Mind your business. Mind the business that pays you. Yeah, because a breeze is blowing outside. The breeze is literally blowing over this breadfruit tree, and it better stand firm. I hope one of them breadfruit will drop off so I can take it and roast it, because I haven't had breadfruit in a while. And it's so funny that yesterday when I was leaving Lushusan, I wanted to stop by a local market and get roast breadfruit, and I didn't. I don't know why I didn't. I should have, because today I'm gonna cook curry chicken and some roast breadfruit. Silly me, but yeah.